진짜 무서워요. All the ingredients ready for making kimchi. Early December in Korea is kimchi making season. It's called 김장 시절.
아, 자청파.
The first step in making kimchi is to get the cabbages. And so we're here in the countryside picking the cabbages. The expert's showing me how to do it. My first cabbage. Oh. 이거 쳐도 안 돼요. 무거워요. 진짜 무거워요.
이거 갖고 자 지금 이거를 갖고 삶아갖고
네,
국
이거
가지고
알겠어요.
국 갖고 먹는 거예요.
Stardew Valley curry. All the ingredients ready for making kimchi.
아니
Now that we've gathered all of our ingredients, it's time to cut, wash, and salt the cabbages so they're ready to suck up more of that kimchi sauce. This is just the babies. 유치원. You have to get every single layer.
이렇게
어떡해요?
접어.
That's the expert. 그래서 이렇게 이거 넣고 I think I did it. This one. 아니요. 실패.
아니야.
조금 실패했어요. 아, 같이. 이렇게. 포장. 죄송합니다. This is to protect them while they ferment. And Grandma says that we don't need to have like the sauce on them. Wow. And this is what we do for hours until it's done. We do this now for one day, working really hard, and then we can enjoy it all year. The last step is always to eat a little bit of fresh kimchi.
딴거 이름 안 똑같아.